Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about how to use Stayyoung cream. You're welcome to Quibec TV channel. I'll be talking basically about Stayyoung cream. For those of you who do not know about Stayyoung cream, this is Stayyoung cream. This is Stayyoung cream. Now, Stayyoung cream is a lightening cream. It's a cream made from Ghana. It is a cream made with cocoa butter, vitamin E, shea butter, vegetable glycerin, propylene glycol, citric acid, and so on. It is a very good cream and it's a lightening cream. Now, if you don't want to lighten, I would advise you not to use Stayyoung. If you're dark in complexion, do not use Stayyoung. Stayyoung is for light skin. For caramel skin, you can use Stayyoung cream, but you have to add a body butter to it. I'll explain that later. Now, there are advantages and disadvantages of Stayyoung cream. Now, one of the advantages of Stayyoung cream is a lightening cream. It's very fast if you're consistent with it. You start seeing results between 2 weeks. It is very good. It is a very good moisturizer. Works very well. Now, it's very good for people with dry skin. You start seeing visible results in 2 weeks. You have to be consistent with it. Now, the problem I have with Stayyoung cream is that Stayyoung cream would give you sunburn. It could give you if you're using it for a face cream. I'll be dropping a review for that later, but this particular one would give you stretch mark, and it may also give you white patches. Now, to prevent that, you have to know how to use it properly, and to know how to use it properly, one of the things you have to do is that when using Stayyoung cream, you add anti-reaction creams to it. Now, to prevent the stretch mark, you can decide to add a little bit of body butter. Then you mix both together, whisk it together, and start using. This will reduce the effects of the cream. It might not give you this kind of shade you want faster, but it will be gradual. But using it consistently, you start seeing you start seeing the results, but it will be gradual. It might not be as fast as you want it, because the body butter would reduce the effectiveness of the cream, but it would also prevent you from having skin reaction. So, but after you've added the body butter with the shea butter, you can also decide to add some anti-reaction creams to it, like Ski Good, like Philobath, uh, Skin Heal. Then another thing about Stayyoung is Stayyoung comes in different sizes. This particular one is a 200 grams Stayyoung cream. It also comes in 100 grams, it comes in 850 grams, and also comes in 40 grams. Now, the 40 grams is the face cream. So, if you're using it for the first time, I would advise you to use the 40 grams, or you use the 80 grams first to see how it reacts to your body. Advantages of Stayyoung: Stayyoung will lighten you in 2 weeks. You start seeing visible results in 2 weeks. It is very fast. It is a very good base cream. You can use it for your base, for add other ingredients in it. You can add your whitening powders, your serums, your whitening oils into it. It's very good for base cream. It doesn't give reaction if it is properly used. If you properly use Stayyoung, it will not give you any skin reaction, but you have to know how to use it. You have to add anti-reaction, a very good moisturizer. Although even when you're using Stayyoung, you can still use your moisturizer with it if you want. But Stayyoung is a very good moisturizer. It is good for people with dry skin. Now, the disadvantages of Stayyoung is it gives reaction, it gives stretch mark, it gives white patches, as I've said earlier. To prevent that, you had your shea butter, you had your mango butter, you had your avocado butter, any of the body butter will do. You had your skin reaction tubes, the Skin Good, the Philobath, and so on. Another problem I have with Stayyoung is I don't know what is wrong with the manufacturers, but recently they've been reducing the ingredients they use in making the Stayyoung. So most times when you get a particular batch of Stayyoung, the color is quite different from the next batch you get. So this is kind of making it hard for you to know which is fake and which is original, because once you get like this color, if even in the same pack, sometimes when you open it, the color you meet might be different from the color you meet in the next batch, and this is quite confusing. I don't know why they keep doing that. Apart from that, I think I don't have any issue with Stayyoung. That is the only issue I have. They keep changing the color and the color of the cream, but most times the work is still the same, but it makes it harder for us to know which one is fake and which one is original. Another disadvantage of Stayyoung is there are a lot of fakes in the market. Now, because there are a lot of fakes in the market, it's the manufacturers too are not helping matters because they keep changing the color of this cream, which is making it hard for us to identify the fake and the original. So the best bet is for you to find somebody who is selling maybe mostly Ghana products that you're sure that would sell original for you. That is the only way you can really know the original from the fake of the Stayyoung, because it's getting harder by the day. Another disadvantage of Stayyoung is Stayyoung keeps getting expensive every day. Presently, this is sold for between 3,500 to 4,000. It really depends on where you're buying it from. The smaller one, which is this one, is sold between 1,800 to 2,000. Some people sell it for 2,500, and it's just 85 grams. Before, they used to sell this for 1,000, 1,500. Now, before they sell this to for 2,000, 2,500. Now it's 3,000, 3,500, 4,000. It really depends on where you buy it. So it keeps getting expensive.